Namaste everyone, good morning. Welcome to day 4. We are going to start practice our day with 15 minutes on salutation. So first we are going to focus into the breathing exercise which is called Kapalabhati. Starting with the preparation breathe, take a deep breath in through your nostril, open your mouth and let it go. Now take a deep breath in and start your stroke. Remember, whenever you are practicing your Kapalabhati, the exhalation should be under your control and inhalation should be natural. But during your uncontrolled blood pressure, heart disease, pregnancy, recent abdominal surgery, that kind of situation if you face, so try not to practice this one, or you can get a recommendation from your doctor or the personal trainer to practice this one. Now, slowly, hands release on the knees after you repeat 3 times. Every stroke you can or every set you can practice for 30 seconds. And then slowly keep your eyes closed and breathe for 1 times. And second, focus into the breath retention to hold the breath at plus 10 or 8 seconds. Now, after complete this one, slowly we are going to open our eyes and look forward. Now we are going to focus into the stretching and the mobility, starting with the neck stretching. Slowly, once you inhale through your nostril and exhale, drop your chin to chest and start rotation your neck and feel into your entire neck muscles and the inner bone joints to activate our nervous system and the 5 sense organs. After repeat this, keep your eyes closed for a few seconds and then open your eyes, look forward. Keep your arms open at the shoulder level, turn your palms up, fingers placed on the shoulders and start rotation the shoulders. Now you can feel the shoulder movement or the joints movement including your shoulder blade or the scapula. Now exact opposite rotation, you can repeat this for 5 or 6 times. After that, slowly keep the open arms and try to drop your left palm to the left side, right hand open at the back when you inhale. Every exhalation, try to touch your fingers on the mat and closer to your left hand. This repetition you can repeat for 4 to 5 times and then slowly change for the other side at the left. Do the same repetition as you inhale, slowly or gently twist to the back and every exhalation try to touch your hands down without lifting your hip off from the heel. After repeat this one, slowly back to center and keep your both elbow hug your rib cage. Hold your fingers tight, start rotation your wrist. So you can feel a nice wrist mobility or you can find a nice stretch for your hands nervous systems or your arms nervous systems. Free your phalanges and it will help you to release the tensions or stiffness from your arms or the phalanges or fingers. Now slowly drop your left palm to the left side and right arm up and stretch your right side body. Then keep the right palm back of the neck and open the chest as much you can. Lips together, nostril breathing and feel the breathe inside, free the muscles. Change again the same things for the other side. Keep drop your right palm down, left arm up and stretch and then bring the left palm back of the neck. Open your throats, lips together, nostril breathing, feel the stretch at your left side body. And then slowly back to center. After that, I'm going to come into my tabletop position. So give me some time to fix myself on the tabletop. And then make sure your alignment is good. Shoulder over to the wrist, hip over to the knee, tuck the toes. As you inhale, arch your back, look up. As you exhale, round your back, chin to chest. During this inhale exhalation, feel your body moving like a sea wave and feel each and every vertebra's joints. And every inhalation to feel the stretch at the front side body, exhalation buttocks engage, feel the stretch at the back side body. Then slowly keep your both knee together and right leg back, left arm forward. Stretch as much possible and then high without rotate your pelvic. Exhalation, elbow and knee touch together. Repeat these things 5 times. Every inhalation up, every exhalation together and round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. After that, slowly release and change the side. This time, again keep the knee together and left leg back, right arm forward. Stretch and high as you inhale. Exhalation, round, elbow knee together. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Repeat these things for 5 times again. After that, keep the drop your both knee down. Support your palms, arms stronger. Now, slowly keep the knee open and toes together. Arms forward. Here, if you facing with several back pain or back surgery, no need to force here. If you feel yourself flexible or if you intermediate practitioner, so you can practice. Keep your arms straight forward and feel the breathe inside. When your throat's longer, chin on your mat on puppy position. After 5 to 10 seconds, just come back again to tabletop and reset yourself. Do the counter and feel the stretch at the back. And then slowly press the toe, move back to downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now start bending your knee every time inside and try to keep the knee straight. It's a great exercise to free the tensions from the legs, including your hamstring, back edge of the knee, calf muscle, glutes, and including the mobility at your ankle joints, knee joints, and hip joints. Now once you bending your right knee inside and look over to the left side, again bend the left knee and look over to the right side. Then you are helping to free the muscles for the right and left side body. And then slowly fix yourself on Parvatasana. Try to look at your Manipura. Keep the arms stronger and active. Make your back longer. Then press the toe on your mat as you inhale. Exhale, jump slowly in between the palm, or you can simply walk in between the palm. Then flat back as you inhale and exhale to Padahastasana. During Padahastasana, if you are beginners, you can catch your thigh or hug your thigh. Now keep the both legs open and place the fingers on your mat and start gently moving side to side and feel the gravity. It will help you to reduce the stiffness from your lower back. Also, the blood circulations will go free into your complete body. Then keep your feet together again. Make sure you are at the front of your mat and try to raise your hands up. Join your palms together, head between the arms. Glutes engage, arch your back and look up to Ardha Chandra Asana and slowly come to prayer pose, Pranamasana Samastitehi. Now from here we are going to start our Sun Salutation. As you inhale, arch, exhale, forward, bend, Padahastasana. Inhale halfway up. Exhale, jump back to the Chaturanga. You can simply walk back to Chaturanga or move to half Chaturanga with dropping the knee. Upward facing dog as you inhale, then push back to downward dog or Parvatasana again. Take a breath and bend your knee inside and look up. As you exhale, jump in between the palm, flat back. Forward bend. Exhale slowly to Padahastasana. Inhale, raise your arms up gently, arch your back toward the Chandrasana. Exhale to prayer pose, Pranamasana Samastiti. Repeat 3 times. Inhale, exhale, forward bend. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog, untuck the toes. Exhale, downward dog, Parvatasana reverse. Take a breath here, bend your knee. Exhale, jump in, flat back. Inhale, forward bend, exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, raise your arms, make a circle of your arms, arch your back. Exhale, Samastitihi Pranamasana. Inhale, 2 more time. Exhale, forward bend, flat back. Inhale, slowly jump back, Chaturanga. Exhale, upward dog. Inhale, untuck the toes, look up. Exhale, downward dog. Take a breath here. Bend your knee, heel up. Jump in between the palm. Exhale. Inhale, flat back. Forward bend. Exhale. Inhale, make your arms up. Arch your back, Ardha Chandrasana. Prayer pose. Exhale, Samastitehi. Satulagi. Or one more. Inhale, arch. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, roll upward facing dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, bend the knee. Exhale, jump. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, raise your arms up, gently arch. Exhale, Samastiti. Now we are going to focus on Salutation B. Bend your knee, flat back, reach your arms up to Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, forward bend. flat back, inhale, jump chaturanga dandasana, exhale, roll as you arch your back, inhale, exhale, downward facing dog. Now right leg up, inhale higher without rotate the pelvic as much you can high, exhale in between the palm, flat your left foot, join your palms, warrior one or Virabhadrasana one, look up, exhale, join your palms and drop your palms on a mat, chaturanga or half chaturanga or one leg chaturanga, roll upward dog, inhale, downward dog as you exhale. Keep the left leg up, inhale, left foot between the palm, exhale, right foot flat. Join your palms, inhale, Virabhadrasana 1. Exhale, drop your palms, one leg chaturanga. Roll upward facing dog as you inhale, downward facing dog, exhale. Take a breath, bend your knee, jump in between the palm, flat back, inhale, forward bend, exhale. Inhale to Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, prayer pose, Samastitehi. 3 more. Inhale, exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale halfway. Exhale, jump back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, in between palm. Inhale, Virabhadrasana 1. Exhale, one leg chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Raise your left leg up, inhale, in between palm, exhale, right foot flat, inhale, Virabhadrasana, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, inhale, upward facing dog, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take a breath, bend your knee, jump smoothly, in between palm, flat back, exhale, forward bend, inhale, Utkatasana, exhale, prayer pose, Pranamasana. 2 more. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Take a breath, right leg up, inhale, in between palm, exhale. Warrior 1, inhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale, roll and upward facing dog, inhale, downward dog, exhale. Left leg up, inhale, in between palm, exhale, right foot flat, join your palms, Virabhadrasana 1, exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, roll and upward facing dog, inhale, downward facing dog, exhale. Take a breath, bend your knee, jump in between the palm as you exhale, flat back, inhale, forward fold, Utkadasana, chair pose, Pranamasana, Samastiti. 1 more, inhale, exhale, forward bend, flat back, inhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana, inhale, upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog. Right leg up as you inhale, in between palm, exhale, back foot flat, warrior 1, inhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, exhale, inhale, roll and upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog. Take your left leg up, inhale, in between palm, exhale, warrior 1, inhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, exhale, roll and upward facing dog, inhale, downward facing dog, exhale. Take a breath, bend your knee, jump smoothly, flat back, inhale, forward bend, exhale, Utkadasana, chair pose, inhale, prayer pose, exhale. Now come to the center of your mat, slowly, and keep your heel together or closer, toes out on the V shape, and try shoulders relaxed, palm facing forward, fingers all open, eyes closed, complete body relaxed, and feel your breathe a few seconds. Feel the inhalation. Feel your breathe through your nostril into your lungs. It's like a balloons every time. It's expanding inside and again release the air. Is every breath to free your mind and relax to your body. Then slowly secure hands and slowly use your toe to jumping freely. This time breathe through your nostril and freely jump. So it will help you to reduce the stress, anxiety completely from your body and free the blood circulations. Now keep the both legs open. Try to drop your right palm on the center of the mat, left hand up, and press and gently twist opposite direction. Same way repeat the other side. Every time try to drop your palms in between or center of the legs and try to twist as much possible. Every inhale twist, exhale down. Inhale press, exhale down. Inhale press, exhale down. After quite a repetition, 5 to 10 set. As much you can, no need to force, just sit on the child position or balasana. Keep your palms on the thigh, lose the shoulder completely, focus into your breath and try to concentrate more. Feel the negative energy all gone through. Feel the fresh energy is coming inside through your nostril. And then slowly, after 5 seconds or 10 seconds, keep the legs open and sweaty the front. Let me clean my sweat on my face. I'm really sweaty. Now, try to keep the legs open, round the back and set your complete back onto your mat. And keep your arms a little bit far from your body, ankle joints, toe, finger, phalanges, shoulder joints. The complete body's bone joints are relaxed. Here, if you feel any gap at the back, so you can use your towel or a cushion to feel the gap at the back. The aim is to completely surrender yourself on your mat and feel the gravity for 10 seconds and feel the breathe inside. First 10 seconds, feel the heaviness for the body. With your inhalation and every exhalation, try to feel the lightness. Then keep your feet together, stretch your palms, interlace your fingers and enjoy the stretch just like wake up from the sleep. And bend your both knees, slowly roll to the right side. And then keep your right palm pressed on your mat. And slowly press the mat, keep your eyes closed and sit on your comfortable position on your mat. Find your place with keep your eyes closed. And then slowly keep your hands on the Dhyana Mudra, Chin Mudra, or you can place easily your hands on the knee, keep the shoulders relaxed. Now you can chant Om for 3 times, or you can gently palms joint closer to the Anahata and slowly open your palms, look between the palm, feel the smile, look forward. Namaste everyone. Thank you for watching.